Here we have the new generation of the Code S. What's new? We have the UVO on it, we have a Speedwall multi-layer wood core, the R-Motion 2 and the XL Winding. The UVO, of course, to absorb the vibrations at the tip. Then we have the Speedwall multi-layer wood core with a combination of light wood and really strong wood, the light wood in the middle, to get a really sportive ski, and the strong wood close to the edges to get a good power transmission on the edges. And better support to good power and to a good grip on the edges with the new plate R-Motion 2 and the XL Winding. It's a ski, you can do everything with it. You can go on really high speed, sportive slalom turns, but as well of really chilling, cruising slalom turns. I can say this ski, even for me as a former downhill athlete, it's fun to go on slalom turns.